Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to delete your routine maintenance required message on 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. So to do that you have to have vehicle in off position, so it's not supposed to be running. And now you can switch to the left side of your steering wheel right under this vent and find this button. So you wanna press this button until you get to this message here. Now when you're at that message, you wanna press this button and hold it. Now when it's blinking, you wanna press it one more time. And now this is how you reset your required maintenance message on 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. And now I'm gonna start the vehicle, see if that message is gone. Gonna wait for a few seconds, and there is no more message for maintenance. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.